This is the program generator I made recently. The program takes bracket data from challenge.com and stores the data locally in a folder to do calculations with. There are two ways of inputting data. They both work, so I'll just choose the default option. Once data is imported successfully, you can use the other features. We'll start by printing out the power rankings. This number is the number of times the data is sorted. The program then outputs the list of players from best to worst. The program compares players based on their placings at these events, as well as their wins and losses. We will use the top 2 players for example. So the program looks at all the players O'Reilly has played, and it also looks at all the people MT has played. If a player has played both O'Reilly and MT, then we compare how O'Reilly and MT does versus this player. If MT beats him half the time, but O'Reilly beats him 100% of the time, then this indirect analysis based on matches awards 1 point to O'Reilly. The program does this for all mutual players between them, and also does the same thing with standings. If O'Reilly outplaces Quas, for example, all of the time, but MT only outplaces Quas half the time, then the indirect placings analysis awards 1 point to O'Reilly. This data is how the players are sorted. Let's look at some other features. Oh no, I don't have my keyboard near me. So here we can output O'Reilly's placings data. O'Reilly placed first at these 3 events and second at this event. As you would expect, he places higher than nearly everyone, with the exception of MT, who is the second place player. We can also output the player's matches. As you'd expect, he outplaces nearly everyone, only tying against this player. Here is all of O'Reilly's wins, and here are all of O'Reilly's losses. We can also punch in the name of another player that we can use to look for the detailed history between the two. So the indirect match analysis between O'Reilly and MT reveals a 13 score in O'Reilly's favor. However, the placing analysis reveals a tie. O'Reilly placed higher than him at this event and lower than him at this event. The game score is 10 wins in O'Reilly's favor and 9 wins for MT. And O'Reilly beat MT at these 3 events, losing to him at those 2. The other feature we have is the look for tournament feature. So we can type in the name of a tournament, and these are the standings. I will likely add I'll make it so that way it also prints out all of the matches that were played as well. The only other feature we have is the export to file feature, where you can specify the name of the file you would like, and it'll export all the data to that file. So yeah, that's the Power Ranking Generator v2.03 Alpha. Thank you for watching.